Hi there, Yang again. In this video, I was thinking, why not, if we did the top down, why not do the side scroller also? Then we have all the project done, like the first person. That we can also do if we really want, but that I will show you when I'm going to do the one about the cameras. I was thinking to do one especially only with cameras, maybe inside this one, we will see, or in the next one. So we did in the last one the top down, and we are now going to do a side scroller. Okay, so I already, like before, hold on, like before, what I did, I cloned, in this case, the top down, like you see, and I called it SS Sidescroller. So there's nothing done, so just to have it speed up a little bit. So same thing again, but in this, like I was doing here, that is a fresh, well, not really fresh project, but I'm going to do the top down as a separated sample. But I noticed something, like when we were doing top down, I didn't include aim and sprint, but you can do aim, and you can basically add another spring arm and another camera, and then on aiming you can then toggle between the cameras, that when you're walking you have the top view, and when you have the bow in this case, and you're doing the aiming, that he will take over the third person camera in this case. But that's aside. What we are going to do, so this is not for now, this we don't need. We are going to do the same like before. We're going to add a new feature or pack, and in this case I want the side scroller. This guy I want. Add to the project. Okay, now we added it. I don't think on input side he will change something. Not here. No, and not here. So input wise it's all the same, like the third person, first person. So only in the top down he will change with set destination. So I don't know if they have other inputs on that project. Okay, so for this it's okay. Yeah, then side scroller, that is the one we want now. As side scroller, give it a color. That is what we're working on now. Same thing as before. Take the map, go back, blueprints. So you only had the character. Oh, that is good. Then I'm gonna just ACF Sidescroller, like so. Copy that guy over there. F2 again. Prefix. Okay. Double click that guy. Let's see what we got. Input. So he already has some input. He can jump. And he can go left and right. That is normal because he is walking on one axis. Again, that spring arm 1, the parent class. Oh, that was not the intention. Now my Visual Studio loads up. That was not the intention. Okay. Okay. Something about it. And no interfaces, no extra functionality. The spring arm, a variable. Okay, so that must be okay then. Then same thing as before, class settings. We are going to reparent this to ACF character BP. I know from before that the interaction was missing. Interaction we need. Then what I also need to check was the mesh collision custom. So now it's okay. Class defaults. Take that one. I don't know how these are. We will look, but I'm not interested in that. Start with tick enabled was disabled, I see. Reset it. We will see in a second if it's not working. Okay, then this will be our Sidescroller dude to give him some naming. And then again, interaction, normally that must be okay. Auto enable on play, I think it was on. Then statics, yep. Locomotion, that is normally okay. Collision, I suppose is also okay. Equipment, same thing, 1, 2, 3. We want the consumable slot, we want the melee weapon slot, and we want to have the ranged weapon slot. Okay, starting items. Yeah, give him one. Give him the sword, this guy. Give him the sword. Then the other thing we are going to do is we are, oh yeah, hold on, I'm gonna do different. Burkity meshes. Take this one. Take this one. For the NMBP, we are going to use that sample. No, it's not the correct one. Hold on. Then I need to quickly peek again. Blueprints, PPTP player. And we are going to have this one. Yeah. Okay, and that was the correct one. Yeah, I'm gonna leave them bold-headed. That's okay for now. So now I have set up the character. And because normally there's no action at the moment, compile and save. Yep, pip. That's good. World settings, there's no special map defined. Okie dokie. Then what I'm gonna do, then I'm gonna do it different. ACF mode, just to have one. S mode. I'm gonna drag that over there. What do we got? Oh, we already put in the HUD and everything. The player controller can be left for now. And then our default class is this one. This is what I want to do now. Okay. We are. This one is standing wrong. I can see it immediately. This we don't need it. It is that auto possess guy. I want to spawn mine, so I need to turn this, and I need to see if it's in the correct position, of course. Is he or is he not? I think he can be a little bit like so. Let's test out. Okay. But we can move the camera. Is that what we want? No, normally the camera is not moving. And right now, I don't have any response on my character. So I got left and right is moving different. Hold on. Input, movement, and what is it? Move right. I'm gonna move right. I'm gonna says movement. Move right is left. I put it. You're gonna do the same, but we will see. Hold on. Right. We need to block also the camera from turning, so that will be then SS movement access event. That's this here, like so. He still takes the camera. He is still taking the camera. And if I change this now to another key, then the same one, which I can, let me quickly think, what would be KL or something. Okay. Okay. We need to, if you start from a blank project, then you don't have this problem normally. Let's find out. No. Oh, yeah, I need to, yeah, now we, okay, yeah. See, that is because we have overlapping key bindings from, and then also, like you see, it's still taking the rotation, so the aim offset is making this, in this case, look pretty weird. So what we are going to do is one up, and we are going to first, yeah, okay, this is, this don't need, then this, it's okay like so. The camera, do collision test. Mm-hmm. 500 and that is the same. Yeah, it's the same. Collision test. And I think I know why. I think we need to have the controller. I think, I'm not sure. I'm gonna look. Because we don't want to have the rotation of. Rotation, do the collision test, leave it like it was. Where is it? Nothing special here, huh? Ah, here. It's normally set like so. And it's disabled on the epic character. Yeah, it's disabled then. Hold on, if I now, just for the simplicity, take this guy now. Because he is taking the same AI controller. Sorry, AI, I need AI controller. This one. The rest of the settings seems to be the same, eh? First of all, he is not flipping the camera. Why? This is what we need. Why is he not doing it? Then we need to do the same thing as before. And it's on the string arm. Yeah, it was on the spring arm. Use pawn rotation. Ah yeah, we forgetting something also. Let's do this first. Add the call to the parents. Begin play. Yep, that guy we also need. Very important, I almost forgot it. And then that function actor begin. Same thing, the parent. Then only on play. I did it in the other one. Use. So then I need to have this. Use. Yeah, well, set use spawn. Like so. I think it was. Yeah. And now, now the body is still moving and looking. So that we need to see, because in this case we don't want to have the direction. So what was it? K L? No. For the rest it stays the same. Okay. So at this point, so this is a little bit less work. This is only making the character, because he is using the AI controller by default. So I'm gonna now put that to the ACF AI controller again. The BP version in this case, okay. And we're gonna test this again. Click on it. Okay. And now we will also do the actions just like the third person if we included the actions. I did not, it seems. So we are just closing this. Then, because we already have them, we only need to go quickly to our player base. This guy. What was it? That's epic stuff that we already did. So move forward that we don't need. So hold on then. This we need. Control C. Make a new one. Control V, that's good. So that we got, that was the epic thing. V. Aim, I'm gonna put in this time. You will see what the result will be with the aiming. Okay, put it like so. Aim we got, and what is this? On static empty bar. Oh yeah, we don't have aim. I think we don't have aim, hold on. And then this we need, and that is input we don't need. So that I'm gonna take. That is for our health bars. And aim, did I took aim? Shoot, I took aim, I took. Yep. Aim we don't have the functions, so you need to here, no, here not. You need to go into Hold on. Oh, yeah, you need to. But hold on. So he got trouble. So leave those out for now. See. Okay. Normally now he can do actions. Yep. Huh? Oh, hold on. I think I forgot some. Hold on. We can play. Strafe, that is also something that he will complain about, but yeah, okay, we come. So that was on begin play, begin play, begin play, isn't this here? You just need to copy everything. But there you sometimes oversee something. Okay, that is that strafe again. We don't have the function basically, yeah? You can go in and copy the function out of it. Okay. Test again. Okay. Dodge. Where is it? Here, dodge. Did I? ACF. Did I put something special on the dodge? Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm sorry that was from the dodges. Then you need to fix it. Like now, because we are only like so, it's okay, yeah. But I think we need to lock it in some manner. See, like for now, yeah, that should be. We cannot perform that in action in the air. Oh, oh okay. So yeah, that is a real basic side scroller character. And then the rest you can do again by, in this case, normally if we are going to items, world item, and put it somewhere correctly. And we are going to give him an item. The bow, for example. Yeah, you see, he already detects it. He already detects it, and I think, if I'm not mistaken. Oh yeah, the sort we got, and yeah, you see the interaction is also directly working, and like we set it up. And then normally 1, I think. No, 3. 3 is then the bow, and then yeah, like now the aiming is not working, but yeah, he is shooting out of control. So that is things you need to basically again modify so he fires in one line always. So no, that I think that is okay for now. You can eventually go in and create a ACF player controller specially for this, but because he's also in the Epic class, only using the Epic AI controller and player controller. So no, I would only focus on correcting the actions and everything, so it stays on one line in this case. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.